Hi everyone, welcome back to Harsha Trainings. My name is Ram. I'm DevOps and Cloud Trainer. Recently we have started one new batch which is a DevOps plus AWS plus Linux, which is a master program. So tomorrow we are going to have a revision class. So far whatever services we completed, so far whatever basics we discussed, whatever demo sessions we discussed. So AWS we started recently. So EC2 we are working on, right? So what topics we covered, we discussed, right? Those will be covered tomorrow. Tomorrow we are having one revision class, which is very important. So those who are not attended so far, you can attend tomorrow's session and you can continue from Monday, right? So those who are already added into WhatsApp group, those who are already joined to the batch, they can also attend tomorrow. So tomorrow's session is very important. So tomorrow we are going to discuss about all the concepts which we already discussed, right? From demo sessions to last session, today's session, whatever we discussed, all the sessions will be covered tomorrow. All the concepts will be covered tomorrow. So don't miss the session tomorrow. So tomorrow timings would be same, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST. So maybe it will take another 15-20 minutes extra. Fine? Thank you all.